Welcome to the vibrant world of lemurs. These unique primates are found only in the forests of Madagascar. Known for their large, reflective eyes and bushy tails, lemurs are some of the most distinct creatures on the planet. But there's so much more to them than just their cute looks. These agile animals are expert climbers and leapers, perfectly suited for life in the trees. With their strong hind legs and incredible balance, they can cover impressive distances in a single bound. Lemurs are highly social animals, living in groups known as troops. Grooming each other strengthens their bonds and helps keep their fur in top condition. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, leaves, and flowers, making them essential to the ecosystem as seed dispersers. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of Madagascar's unique flora. Did you know? Lemurs love to sunbathe. You can often spot them sitting upright, arms stretched out, soaking in the warmth. Sadly, lemurs are facing threats from habitat destruction and deforestation. Nearly all lemur species are endangered, making conservation efforts more important than ever. The lemur's future depends on protecting Madagascar's forests. Together, we can help ensure these incredible creatures thrive for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the life of lemurs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more wildlife adventures.